Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can block someone on Snapchat. So let's go to Snapchat first. After go to Snapchat, you can see here chat option on the second bottom left. Then choose the person you want to block. Like I'm choosing this one to block Shohana. Just click and hold for 1 second. Click and hold and it will pop up a window like this. Then you can see here manage friendship. Go manage friendship, the second option. Then you can see here report, block or remove friend. If you want to block someone, just click on block. It will pop up for confirmation. Then just click on block and Shwana will be blocked or the person will be blocked. Okay guys, so this is how you can block someone on Snapchat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.